bit bad. But kunanutaura ndebele, I think the only word I can actually say is livukenjani. Livukile, mamuka bo. All right. So as mentioned, or as I introduced myself earlier, my name is Tafara Ngudu, and at the moment I am a camp counselor at Lasting Impressions in Kaduma. Some of you have heard the name, or some of you have been here. So you know it's a very beautiful place. I've been working there for 4 years, and during these years, I've been working as a life skills coach, as also a facilitator in team building and leadership training as well. And over the years, we've realized that okay, so whilst we're doing this whole team building thing, we have come across so many young people, from kids of smaller ages to young adults like us guys. We've realized that they're going through a lot mentally. And before we can even throw them in the field of, okay, if guys, we're doing this activity or we want to work on your leadership, we've realized, my gosh, these kids are going through a lot. So we then started a program where all of us, the facilitators or the instructors that were there, we went through some training on how to deal with or how to handle. Because I don't know, I don't like the word deal. Because the moment you use the word deal with something, it's like there's a problem. You should, you know. So it's rather how to work with and handle kids or young adults who have experienced trauma. And then I further on went to do a trainer's course. So now I can also train caregivers, basically the guys who work in orphanages, who work in children's homes, or foster parents, adoptive parents, things like that. We can work together, and then we can come up with ways on how we can, help them deal with kids that have gone through trauma. So yes, that's how the program started, and so we have started working with kids, also working on their mental health, just looking out for the signs as well, and just making it a much lighter topic than it. Because I think another thing that I really need to talk about is mental health and mental sickness. Those are two different things. Those are two different things. The moment people hear mental health, they start thinking, I should not know, in our culture, it's not something that's really recognized. So they start thinking of, maybe mental sickness. So that may really push some people to just stay in their shell and not speak out. So, guys, mental health and mental sickness are two different things. And also, Tabunzo Pashtauranye Kunzi, you can go to the counselors and talk to them one on one. Just because you're approaching a counselor, it doesn't necessarily mean there's something terrible that's happening. Because I think Takakura in a way where we think if I'm going to a counselor or if I'm going to open up, like I'm at the lowest, like rock bottom, that's when I should go there. But it's not like that. Even when you feel fine, okay, or even when you seem fine, when you feel like everything in my life is working out, everything is going well, you can still go to a mental health counselor and talk to them. Right? So with me, my sole purpose is to work with the youth, to build them into future leaders who are driven by passion, and I like passion is one of the main foundations here, who are driven by passions, and who normally, or rather, who specifically work with the values of integrity and honesty, and doing things the right way, integrity, doing the right thing even when no one is watching. So that's what we aim to do. That's what we work towards. So yes, that's just it about me. Thank you.